Hey guys, in this video we are going to make a delicious one-pan chicken and potato. Let's go cooking, guys. I am about to insert this lovely looking chicken and potato into the oven. So guys, if you want to learn to make this, stick around. So first here I have some potato that is washed and cut into thin wedges. To give it a little color, I go ahead and add a few pieces of carrots. And we are going to season up this nicely. I add some seasoned bouillon to give it a salty flavor. And I'm going to add some herbs. You can add whatever herb you like. In this recipe, I add some mixed herb of rosemary and thyme. I am adding some Cajun season and paprika also. And there I'm adding some extra virgin olive oil to allow the season to coat nicely on each piece of potato. So we are going to mix this nicely and set aside. So the baking pan, we are going to bake our chicken and potato. We are going to grease it with a little oil. And here I have some chicken leg that is pre-seasoned with some garlic powder, onion powder, some Cajun season. But to add some extra flavor, I am going to add a little bit of ginger powder, some dry rosemary, and some paprika. And there I'm drizzling some olive oil. This is just to get the chicken pieces coated nicely with the powder season. So there I have some chopped scallion and colored bell pepper, onion, and a little garlic. So now I am gonna rub the chicken pieces together nicely. And there we have our chicken pieces all seasoned well. So we are going to go ahead and add our seasoned potato. After adding the potatoes with the chicken pieces, so here I add a little water into the container from the potato just to get that nice seasoned flavor. And here I am pouring it on the chicken, actually in the chicken pan. We don't want to pour it on the chicken to rinse off the season. So we are going to cover it with some foil paper and we are going to insert it into the oven that is preheated on 350 degrees. About 45 minutes later, I remove the foil paper. The reason for putting the foil paper is to allow the chicken to keep moist while baking. After adding it back without the foil paper for an half an hour, I take it out and baste the chicken pieces with the juice from the chicken and insert it back to allow the chicken to continue bake and continue to develop a lovely color. Around 2 hours later, this is the final result of our one pan chicken and potato. Juicy and flavor rich. All you need right now to go with this meal is some vegetable. This is a quick and easy meal you can prepare if you are busy. You just season up your chicken, your potato, throw it in the oven, leave it there, bake. And here we have our serving of a nice chicken leg, some slices of baked potato, and our side dish is some mixed veggie. You can always use vegetable of your likeness. So thank you guys for watching this lovely video. Don't forget to go ahead and try this recipe. Drop a comment below and let me know how did yours came out. If you're here for the first time and you enjoy this video, subscribe to my channel to receive notification whenever I upload more video. A big thank you to all my subscribers for your faithful and your loving support. If you are new here also, thank you for stopping by. Bye until next time.